Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, keyless license installation, I'm going to show you how you'll receive your keyless license information from Advantage Software and how to install it into Eclipse. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think needs to know this information, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. If you're a new user just signing up with Advantage Software and Eclipse, you'll receive two welcome emails from us. The first is just a welcome. It gives you some basic information about Advantage Software and welcomes you to our community. The second email that you'll receive is your Eclipse license file. If we open this email, it says, "Attached is your Eclipse license file. This file is required to run your Eclipse program keylessly. It is your remote key for Eclipse. Please keep a copy of this email and the enclosed attachment somewhere secure and easily remembered, such as your important documents folder, as the license file will be necessary to run Eclipse on any computer." And next I'm given some instructions. I should save the eclipse.lic attachment directly to my desktop and then open Eclipse. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. In this case, I have Gmail, and so I'm going to hover over the attachment, and one of the options is download. I'm going to download my license, and this gives me an option of where I'd like to save my file. I'm going to choose desktop, and then simply press save. If your file just automatically downloads without asking you where to save it, you can click the Show in Folder button next to the download, and then copy and paste it to your desktop. Do not make a shortcut of the item to your desktop. Make sure that you're copying and pasting it to your desktop or cut and pasting it to your desktop. Once the file has been downloaded, make sure that you mark this email as important or move it to a folder where you'll be able to find it conveniently in the future. If you ever need to install on a new or secondary computer, you'll need this license file. So now I'm going to open Eclipse. And when I do that, I'm going to be prompted to install the license. It'll tell me that the license file has been found on my desktop, and then ask, do you wish to install and activate this license? I'll click yes. And then if I already have users, I can choose one of those users and load Eclipse. Or if I've never used Eclipse before, I'll be prompted to create a new user. Enter your first and last name, and then choose one of the short names offered to you, or choose I will provide a short name. The short name that you provide is going to be what Eclipse will call you, and this will also be the name of all of your default files, such as a new blank dictionary, your spelling files, and more. Click Finish to finish setting up the user. Once you click Finish to finish setting up the user, then you'll be in Eclipse and ready to begin customizing. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.